Hey guys, this is Sharad with REsimpli. Quick demo video on how to use the repeat caller functionality in call flow. So when you log in, you go to your call flow and you'll see your option for repeat callers at the end. So what that does is if you enable it, then you have two options: route repeat callers to previously connected number. So what that does is, let's say if you have two acquisition managers and you get a call from a lead, Joe, and then you have your acquisition manager, Adam and Ben. When Joe calls, you had simultaneous calls set up and Adam picked up the call. So now by setting this, anytime Joe calls, the seller calls from his number, the call will automatically get routed to Adam. It won't go through the entire call flow. It'll go straight to the person who previously connected the call. One thing to note is, in repeat caller, the call is getting connected straight to the person who previously picked up the call. So your missed call SMS, your missed call RBM and voicemail are not activated when the call is being routed straight to previously connected number. Or you can choose a custom number. If it's a repeat caller and you want to have that call go to a particular number, then you can enter that number and that's where the call is going to get routed to. So this is only for repeat caller. The only thing that is enabled in repeat caller is the greeting. The caller will hear the greeting on repeat caller, and then the call will go straight to this. It won't go to the voicemail you've recorded. It won't send a missed call RVM, missed call SMS, and then it'll do either get connected to it'll get routed to previously connected number, or it will the call will be routed to whatever number you've entered. And same thing in other times. So you can have a repeat caller during business hours go to one number, and outside of business hours you can have the repeat caller go to a different number. So you can choose that. This is how you use the repeat caller functionality in REsimpli call flow. Thank you.